Hello again, everyone. Truck CB Sales here with a temp report from my friend Raider in Kentucky on the Stryker SR-447HPC2. Raider got it ready to go for you, bud. ERF 2030 Plus MOSFET upgrade for durability and a few more watts, as well as a Toshiba voltage regulator upgrade and our tune alignment. Let's get right to it. RF power all the way down, 50 watt slug, 2 watts all the way down. Roll it all the way up. Sitting there right about 9 or 10. Show you average power swing. Hello. About 45 bird on the peak of it. 250 watt slug PEP. Hello. About 115. Alright, Raider, it's ready to come to you, man. Hope you enjoy it. Your friend Truck at www.truckscbsales.com. Bump, bump.